and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are back with another one from our This or That series where we compare two very similar products so that you know which one is right for you. Today we have one thing and we have two super popular products, the Centella asiatica extract and the Artemisia capillaris extract. Now, both of these are fairly similar in the kinds of benefits they provide your skin, but at the same time, there are some key concerns that they focus on themselves that are different from each other. So today, first, we are going to look at the similarities that these products have, and then we are going to dive into the differences in their benefits and anything else. So if you want to watch anything in particular, definitely check out the timestamps in the description box below. So if you want to skip ahead to any part in particular, you can do so. The links to the products are also listed in the description box in case you'd like to shop anything. And if you like these videos, do subscribe. Looking at what stays the same. Now first up is the quantity. Both these extracts come in 150 ml bottles, so you are getting the same amount of each extract no matter which one you pick. If you like them both, definitely get both. Secondly, the texture. Both of these are super watery and runny. They don't feel viscous or thick, and both of them absorb very quickly into your skin. Even if you have oily skin, this is not going to leave any kind of greasiness or stickiness. And no matter what skin type you have, you can layer it multiple times. Still, it feels sufficient because of how lightweight the toner extract is. Now, can you use these extracts in a routine with actives? The answer is yes for both. Both of them are super gentle and very skin repairing, skin soothing ingredients that are great with actives like retinol, niacinamide, AHAs, BHAs, any kind of treatments that are being done with your skin. If you have acne and are using anything like a salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide, it doesn't matter because they are very non-reactive and they are great complementary products and ingredients to use in a routine with actives. Now, these three things are the main similarities between the two products. When you look at the benefits, they do have some overlap, but we will focus on what the main benefits are for each. When it comes to the Centella asiatica extract, this one is super popular for anyone who has acne-prone skin because it does really help soothe acne and inflammation. So if you have really angry red pimples and it is painful, this will help subside a bit of that sensation. It also helps with skin healing. So if your skin is broken from any kind of acne breakouts or if you've damaged your skin barrier, then Centella really helps your skin repair a lot faster, and it helps strengthen your skin over time as well, so it's less prone to this kind of damage. Additionally, Centella asiatica in a routine can help reduce mild pigmentation. What this means is that if you have any fresh spots coming up, any fresh breakouts that have left a mark, or if you have very mild discoloration around your skin, it can in the long term help your skin have an overall even appearance. It won't directly help any kind of stubborn pigmentation or very obvious dark spots that have been there for a very long time, but for any fresh pigmentation or spots, it does help your skin heal faster and overall improve the appearance of your skin. Centella is also a great ingredient for skin elasticity. So if you have really tired, dull skin, you can see that there is a loss of elasticity. It doesn't look as plump and firm as before. Then it's a great ingredient to add because it does help with the overall firmness of your skin. So if you need something that complements a routine that focuses on anti-aging or any kind of plumping sensation, then this is a great addition because it is helping with your skin barrier and overall just improving the way your skin heals. It also gives your skin a really nice smooth feeling. On the other hand, Artemisia capillaris focuses a lot on reducing redness. If your skin gets easily red or irritated from external factors like pollution, dust, or if it is prone to sensitivities from any kind of ingredients or any kind of contact, then Artemisia is the perfect addition to your skincare routine. It also helps add moisture back into your skin a lot more than Centella might, and it provides a lot of nutrition because of how nourishing it is as an ingredient. It also strengthens your skin barrier and clears out any kind of pollution particles, so it is overall focused more on reducing any kind of congestion and just overall strengthening and nourishing your skin. It also helps reduce sensitivity, so by strengthening your skin barrier and ensuring that your skin is nourished and doesn't get as red or inflamed as easily, it is making sure that whatever is causing the sensitivity and irritation to your skin is no longer an issue, and that comes with good long-term use. So make sure to have it in your routine for a long time and use it consistently to see a difference. So that's the difference in terms of the benefits. If you do have acne but you also need to strengthen your skin barrier, then both these ingredients will still help with both concerns. But if you want to focus and understand the main difference between them, it would be these benefits that we've listed today, just to make it easier to know which one is right for you. If you feel like you have a bit of both, then definitely grab both ingredients and create your own one thing mix that is with the right proportions based on your skin concerns. Now, in terms of who should use each extract, with Centella asiatica, skin type doesn't matter, but it's best suited for people with acne prone or dry dehydrated skin and textured skin. For Artemisia capillaris, again, skin types don't matter, but it's great for people who have sensitive skin, who are prone to redness, and who are generally exposed to a lot of pollution in their environment. I hope this simple video helped you understand which product is right for you. If you have any more questions that are a little more specific to your routine, or if you'd like to know if both of these extracts are right for you, or if you'd like to know about any other extracts, then definitely leave a comment below, and don't miss our one thing playlist, which talks about each one of our extracts and helps you understand each one's benefits as well. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.